Welcome to the Beyond 20 Cherwell tutorial series. In this video we will demonstrate how to use the power of an action command field to store a JSON or a JSON array in a global stored value, which can then be called via a relationship between the parent object and the lookup table. Our use case for this video is JIRA field edits. We have a different set of fields in the Cherwell incident or specifics form that will update the corresponding JIRA issue based on the Cherwell service. First, we need to modify the JIRA project lookup table, which was brought over from the JIRA integration MApp provided by Cherwell. In the JIRA project table, we need to add the following fields: service name and service rec ID. Service rec ID will autofill from service name, which is validated against the service name in the service table. Then we need to add a JSON command and a JSON command name. The JSON command needs to hold an action command. It needs to have a length of 2048 characters and be set to a field type of text, and it needs to have a general attribute of custom list pop-up with a value of action command. The JSON command name field needs to hold the action name and will autofill or auto-populate when the JSON command field changes, and it will hold the action name. Next, we need to add a relationship to the incident called incident links JIRA project. This relationship will use a custom link where the JIRA project key is equal to the incident JIRA project key. The advanced settings for this relationship will be to load immediately, load everything, and don't load when constraints are blank. Let's take a look at the one-step created to add the JSON script to the stored value, which can be used by another one-step making a web service call to JIRA. First, we created a new stored value called JIRA fields JSON in the integrations folder for global. This field is a type JSON and its value is user specific. We then create a one-step for each service or project that we need to have a unique set of fields for. And that one step will have one action in it to update the JIRA fields JSON with a new JSON. The JSON will use the JIRA fields element with a comma-separated list of key value pairs, where the keys are corresponding to the field IDs, not the field names, but the field IDs in JIRA, and the values are simply the corresponding fields in the incident or the specifics. Now we have a one step that we've created to take advantage of the JIRA edit fields method in the web service, and this one step will run the JSON project JSON command. So as long as we've set our one step in the JSON command for the project to create the proper JSON in the JSON fields edit, then when our edit fields is triggered by an automated process or manually if we so desire, it will run this command from the corresponding JIRA project JSON command field, and then it will make a web service call to JIRA, and the data in the method will be that JIRA fields JSON stored value.